Welcome to a video by Abron Exports. This is Soxhlet extraction apparatus. Here we have the three setup system. Here the stand is having this stand where we have the two boss head to be attached. Like one rod is horizontal, two rod are vertical. They are connected on the back seat by there are on the back side. These are some points to be connected on the back side. You can see this is one screw and the two blocks, they are holding it. Then there is one heating mantle. These are the mantle type of which is made of silk yarn. Once the round bottom flask is put in this, the heater will have the inside, there are heater coils inside, and they will attain the shape of the item. And these are the energy regulator. They are not thermostat, please be careful. These are indicators of each thermostat. Once we switch on, there is one, it is, you can see this tick sound will be visible. See here, if you have to heat it slowly, you have to keep it on 30. If you want to heat it on the faster, it should be kept at 50. Both these all can be kept at 50, or if you have to just heat it and don't stop it, keep it at 80 or 90. Never use 100 because they will keep on heating without any stop. This is a energy regulator. This is not a thermostat. Once again I am saying, please refer to our manual how to use this energy regulator. This will control the heating speed, not the temperature. This will control the heating speed. Once again I am telling you, please be careful and write to us. This our email is abron01@gmail.com, and another one is info@abronexports.com, and WhatsApp number is 9992222049. Another is 94160200018. Please visit the website and like the videos, share the videos. And the glass parts are separate, they are to be attached. You have to use the three clamps and boss head with attaching them to the system. Thank you very much.